Easy profits using PPC in your affiliate marketing business.
PPC is one of the 4 basic types of search engines. PPC is also one of the most cost-effective ways of targeted internet advertising. According to Forbes magazine, PPC, or pay-per-click, accounts to $2 billion a year and is expected to increase to around $8 billion by the year 2008. Let us take a quick look at how PPC search engines work. These engines create listings and rate them based on a bid amount the website owner is willing to pay for each click from that search engine. Advertisers bid against each other to receive higher ranking for a specific keyword or phrase. The highest bidder for a certain keyword or phrase will then have the site ranked as number 1 in the PPC search engines, followed by the second and third highest bidder, up to the last number that have placed a bid on the same keyword or phrase. Your ads then will appear prominently on the results pages, based on the dollar amount bid you will agree to pay per click. How do you make money by using PPC into your affiliate marketing business? Most affiliate programs only pay when a sale is made or a lead delivered after a visitor has clicked through your site. Your earnings will not always be the same, as they will be dependent on the website content and the traffic market. The reason why you should incorporate PPC into your affiliate marketing program is that earnings are easier to make than in any other kind of affiliate program not using PPC. This way, you will be making profit based from the click-throughs that your visitor will make on the advertiser's site. Unlike some programs, you are not paid per sale or action. PPC can be very resourceful of your website. With PPC search engines incorporated into your affiliate program, you will be able to profit from the visitors who are not interested in your products or services. The same ones who leave your site and never comes back. You will not only get commissions not only from those who are just searching the web and finding the products and services that they wanted, but you will be able to build your site's recognition as a valuable resource. The visitors who have found what they needed from your site are likely to come back and review what you are offering more closely. Then they will eventually come back to search the web for other products. This kind of affiliate program is also an easy way for you to generate some more additional revenues. For example, when a visitor on your site does a search in the PPC search engine and clicks on the advertiser bidded listings, the advertiser's account will then be deducted because of that click. With this, you will be compensated 30% to 80% of the advertiser's bid amount. PPC is not only a source of generating easy profits, it can also help you promote your own site. Most of the programs allow the commissions received to be spent for advertising with them instantly and with no minimum earning requirement. This is one of the more effective ways to exchange your raw visitors for targeted surfers who has more tendencies to purchase your products and services. What will happen when you integrate PPC into your affiliate program? PPC usually have ready-to-use affiliate tools that can be easily integrated into your website. The most common tools are search boxes, banners, text links, and some 404 error pages. Most search engines utilize custom solutions and can provide you with a white-label affiliate program. This enables you, using only a few lines of code, to integrate remotely hosted co-branded search engine into your website. The key benefits: not only more money generated but also some extra money on the side. Plus a lifetime commissions once you have referred some webmaster friends to the engine. Think about it. Where can you get all these benefits while already generating some income for your site? Knowing some of the more useful tools you can use for your affiliate program is not a waste of time. They are rather a means of earning within an earning. Best know more about how you can use PPC search engines into your affiliate program and miss out on a great opportunity to earn more profits. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.